Hello everyone, it's time to run HTML programming language again, right? Yeah, these are what already ran it in a previous lesson. Yeah, where we write a HTML program that insert the picture in HTML page, right? For those who missed, you can go back and watch it, our video again, right? So this what we learned before. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can now change this background. You see now is white background. We can now change it so as to make this website very attractive, right? Yeah, let me show you how you can do it. Yeah, first of all, you know that everything written in this heading section, it affects all HTML documents, right? That's why we are going to use this section so as to put the background color on our entire HTML page. Yeah, now to do this, we have to use a style tag. Style tag is one that uses to make a design of either statements or backgrounds, right? Yeah, let us use style here like this. Then also open and closing style tag, as you see. Right now I'm going to use a body. I'm going to use a body like this, then open our body. Now we are going to use background color, right? Background color, this one. Then I can now choose whatever color I can use in this web page, right? Let me use like this one. I can use it now like this, right? Yeah, you see, I already finished to select the color to use in this web page. So what I do is to save this page by clicking on save, then run it. Yeah, you see now our background color is already changed, right? Before was a white one, but now you see is a green somehow, right? So you see it's changed. Also by clicking here you can change it again. You can select other one to use here, right? Then click on save icon and also run it again. Yeah, you see now our background color is already changed. Yeah, this is what I want to show you in this video. And please, if you are new here, it's time to make subscribe, to like this video, to share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question, idea, you can write it in the comment section. But before the end, let me show you today's lesson. What you have to put into your mind is this one. You see, only this one, just this part which is selected. Style, to open the style and close it, then open the body, write this word background color, and then select the color to use here, right? Yeah, so that is thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.